Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to flush DNS cache in Windows 11. So if you're facing any kind of issue with your network, or if your network is very slow, DNS resolver cache is one of the best way to fix the issue. So the first one is all about, we need to go over here, search for CMD and click on run as administrator, and you have to go for yes. Just wait for this to get. Go for yes. Once done, the command prompt is here. So now we need to type the first one, that is ipconfig. Then you have to put a space /flush DNS. Press enter. It says successfully the flushed the DNS resolver cache. So you are fine with it. Now you can close this and you can check. Still, if you have the trouble, just go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings, navigate to the network and internet. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to advanced network settings. Now go to the network reset, go for the reset now, so that your system will be restarted. Once afterwards, you have to check, that might fix the issue. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it, bye bye.